move shit out the way, get the fuck out the way. My bitch got a fat ass and a pretty face like touch on the waist. Make they get out quick, don't do no talking, I'll bam no spray.
BBs in my watch feel like a shiner. She a baddie Barbie doll. I think she got that from her mama. Presidential, I can't tell the time, but I know that bitch tick.
Yo, that shit really make me want to slide, bro. No boys.
Rock denim tail, fear God, but I can't never fear so. Long talks with my Orishas, I done seen death in the soul. I done pulled up and feel like my son gon' be a shooter. Feel like Bronny and LeBron, I'm shooting shit like one mirrors play backseat, I'm James Bond. Crunch time, walk downs to get back, it takes time. Jeff Dime, snatch his hoes like I'm the Reaper, take mine. Show the bitch and Michael Drake.
We got everybody outside. Y'all, today was a crazy day. I ain't gonna lie. All right, so this is the real review of my lights. You feel me? Finally, yeah, nigga. That shit look pretty, right? We got Lee Bucket right here. You feel me? I cut it out. You want your face, bro? I'm thorough. We did the back. Got the back done. Come around to the other side. You feel me? We got these bitches on the toe. You feel me? We all set to go. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Probably a wide body kit. I don't know. I'm not too sure yet, but. Yeah, so I'll catch y'all in the next video,
God, this shit so fast. Oh my God, bro, this shit fast as shit, bro. Yeah, bro. This shit be moving, bro.
Alright, y'all, we almost at the next spot. I only recorded one video over there because the cops came quick as shit and everybody started bitching like they all in strikes. Yeah, we going to the wall right now. Chill with everybody. Yeah, we gonna tap in there. Yeah.
Many months later.
What's going on YouTube? SRT Will back with another video today. We going to Delaware, y'all. Y'all see what we in. I'm about to show y'all what we got in the back seat. I'm gonna do on this side so I don't get smacked. Shit. We just got the little washy and all that. Looking fully clean as shit. This for Maddie right here. We got a diffuser and shit. Feel me? Cause I was gonna put it on mine, but my drone looked pretty good, to be honest. So, oh, I gotta clean all that. Look at that shit right there. Got my man Gabe outside. What's happening when we get to the Wawa? We currently in traffic. Watch this light fucking change too, bro. We're not even gonna be able to go, bro. See? But I swear like 2 cars go, bro. At this joint. Every time. I know, niggas be taking too long to go. Yo, bro, I'll be surprised if I can even go at the next one, bro. And there's only 3 cars in front of me. Like, that shit is sad, bro. I'm just happy I got a wash it, bro. You should see how bad my shit was, bro. I was going to work when it was snowing. Oh. And bro, my car was black. I swear to God, my car was straight black, bro.
We ain't waiting for nobody now.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I need these lights though. Yeah. Sheesh.
Nah, he's stunting on
my shit look like a turkey. I ain't gonna lie though, his shit crazy though. That bitch a rainbow and all. That bitch pretty as hell. Nah, yeah, that shit. Feel me? Nah, yeah, that shit really is on the floor though.
Everybody got the side skirts, bro. I need to change my shit. I got a dookie.
Yeah. Nah, that bitch pretty though.
Ready?
Yo, I should brought my ski, bro. I'm trying to tune it too. Yo, bro, you was a freak shit.
Nigga gay.
Yo, man, try to fuck me, bro. What's up with you? What's the Addy?
Huh?
What's the Addy? Or we just following?
We following. I don't got no ad.
Fuck it, we up. We got everything outside here. Fucking striker. Shit. Fuck it, we on strike.
cat.
Big cat, big cat. Yeah. Hey, recording here. Yeah. Man, I put my shit, man. You hear my shit.
Oh, that bad boo.
It's a big bitch, not a little one. Not a little one. Alright, we tap when we get to Delaware though. No bullshit.
I done took some long flights for a lower number. She told me to
They want that shit.
That shit quiet.
What the fuck?
ain't no telling what I would do for the game. It's a shame. I done seen some niggas go against the grain. It's the game. Shit, I know for sure we share the same pain.
Like everybody else. I mean, I will be the dickhead that ain't full up. I gotta get gas right now, you feel me? But we do got everybody outside. Same shit. Yeah, though, we about to get active. Alright, we about to solder this fucking diffuser. There you go.
Send me your cash app.
Huh? I'ma send it to you. And then we got little Maddie in the cut. Yeah, I got you. We got everybody else. Before it happens, I'm gonna get Edge on a 7.5. What you giving that shit?
I don't know. I'm kind of scared.
Lord in the fire.
I'm kind of scared. I ain't gonna lie. He got a coin stuck to that bitch.
I don't know.
What's dragon?
I don't know what's going on with that junk. What happened?
He said, let him know if y'all see sparks and shit.
Alright. He said, you my man, let me spin it. He fried. Yeah, let's all make him do it.
Fuck, law.
Yeah. Yo, this Dana like we 85, y'all. This nigga gotta fill his shit up like he in a fucking dirt bike or some shit.
Yeah. This a buck in the car.
Yeah. Yo. Niggas all sniping, man.
We didn't even say what's up to you.
Nah, yeah, bro. We about to be out.
No, unsubscribe.
Shit, one more time. Yeah. This man shit dirty as shit. Rid of my joint though.
Probably haven't died in like 4 years.
Die, it said 4 years.
I
Dying.
haven't died in like 4 years. Next.
My phone been on one for like 20 minutes, bro.
One.
Instantly, how the fuck you keep it ugly?
Bro, I'm a kid. Beam. I just got to wash it earlier.